Whether you're already a homeowner in Vancouver or aspiring to become one, keep watching for a comprehensive update on the latest trends in the real estate market as of December 2023. Be sure to stay tuned until the end of the video to uncover potential opportunities, whether you're looking to buy or sell. Taking a look at the real estate market in a bird's eye view, it's been really active. Even with interest rates in the mix, folks are still going full speed ahead with buying homes. In most spots, we're hanging in the sweet spot of a balanced market, and in some areas even rocking the seller's market. Examining historical data indicates that sustained periods with a ratio below 12% will create a downward pressure on home prices, so anything below 12% is considered a buyer's market, whereas prices frequently face upward pressure when the ratio surpasses 20% over several months, and that would be considered a seller's market, and anything in between is a balanced market. Now, peeking at the data, condos and townhouses surprisingly went up into a seller's market range for December, which is usually like a snooze month because of the holidays. The lowdown, well, fewer listings and less inventories compared to November made the sales and inventory ratios kick into high gear. Now, peeking at the data, condos and townhouses surprisingly went up into the seller's market range for December, which is usually a slow month. Why? Well, fewer listings and less inventory compared to November made the sales and active ratio kick into high gear. Now, for detached homes that have been an autopilot for a few months now, hanging on the edge of buyers and balanced market at around 12%, just coasting along. The benchmark price for a house in Metro Vancouver hits $1.954 million, covering all corners and neighborhoods. This spans from $826,000 in Sunshine Coast to $3.465 million in Vancouver West Side. Comparing to last year, the benchmark price has climbed up 7.7%. However, there's a slight dip from last month's number. The price surge can be traced back to the sluggish fall and winter period that we had in 2022 with all the consecutive interest rate hikes. Shifting gears in December, the average listed sale price ratio clocked in at 97.3%, indicating that properties were typically selling just under asking price. This is a slight dip from November, where the ratio was around 97.6. It's worth noting that this statistic varies based on the market condition and the approach that sellers take when listing their home. In a hot market, many sellers tend to underprice their homes to spark multiple offers and bidding wars. However, the current trend shows that sellers are aligning their listing prices more closely to their expectations. If you're wondering about the time it takes to sell properties, the average duration in December was approximately 34 to 45 days for both attached and detached homes. This saw a slight increase of about 5 extra days compared to the previous year. So if you're gearing up to sell, it's good to be aware that it might take a little bit longer. And if you're thinking about investing in real estate in the near future, mortgage rates are ranging from 5.29% to 6.03%, depending on your terms and lender conditions, whether it is a 3-year variable or 5-year fixed, and so on. In a nutshell, when we dive into the market statistics for December, things seem pretty lively. Detached homes have been teetering between buyers and balanced market in recent months, and with the situation heavily dependent on the specific area of the home and prices. Homes under 1.8 million are still selling well, while the luxury market is in slower pace, impacting the overall market stats. Now, turning our attention to condos and townhomes, it appears that most areas are in a seller's market, and from my own observation, there has been multiple offers on homes, and properties haven't been lingering as long or for an extended period of time. The first week of January has also been quite bustling for our own listings. We've been getting a lot more showing requests. Regardless, it's crucial to grasp that one area in Metro Vancouver can vary significantly from another area due to diverse micro markets and pockets scattered everywhere. As I mentioned in previous videos, now could be an opportune time to make a move, especially if you're contemplating upsizing. Condos and townhomes are selling well, and in some areas, detached homes aren't as fiercely competitive yet. Numerous reports are suggesting that interest rates will decrease this year, so when rate drops, it's anticipated that there will be heightened competition. Keep that in mind. Some homes may be hundreds of thousands more when the market goes back up. Know that you have an opportunity to be buying at a discount right now. You can either request a complimentary, no obligation market evaluation or schedule a call with me for a pressure-free discussion about your choices. I'm dedicated to providing clear and honest information so that you can make the best decision for yourself, considering your individual situation. If you find this assistant valuable, you can click on the link in the description below to arrange it. Otherwise, feel free to explore my other videos, and I'll be back next month with an updated report.